Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. I'm starting this video off in the kitchen, y'all. This is where I can be a mad scientist putting some stuff together. So yeah, here's some easy recipes for you. I'm also going to throw some ASMR in here for you. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Hold on, I forgot the onion powder. If you are new here, I am Kim with a Y, K-Y-M. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe on your way out. My daughter had this seasoned and everything for me, so all I have to do is throw it in here and brown it a little bit. This is browning. I'm going to cut up some of my onion. Oh, it's just not a good situation. Listen, I know you see all this flavor and love that I'm putting into this meal, and when I tell you this is how you cook, this is how you cook. I'm just drifting along. There's no use holding on. So my beautiful 22-year-old is helping me. Like I told you, cook with your kids. Cook with your kids. Did everyone see that? She washed the chicken off with some vinegar, took it from there to here. It's important to wash your meat, y'all.
I don't even be liking spicy stuff, but I've been trying to do it because it's good for our health.
It is good. Mother-daughter conversations with Bree and Kim.
We just gotta try to be thankful for the little, like,
That's
little,
what I was...
little.
Did you hear what she said? Be thankful for the little things. Now we're throwing the meat in there, and then I'm gonna add some lime because I didn't buy a lime today. So, but we have lime juice and it works just as fine.
Trying to get all the droplets.
All the droplets. Y'all heard her. Tell them how to cook, Bree.
Right, they don't know.
Somebody's out here trying to debug the house. Every time I have a cameo of my husband in my video, the ladies just love it, and I think it's hilarious. So here he is. Please share it with your grandma, your auntie, your cousin. That way more people can come to my channel. I'm not above pimping him out. I'm just saying. Let me know below in the comments those tough places in your home where you feel like never are clean. For me, I always feel like my stove and my sink need to be cleaned out, and I'm constantly cleaning them. Another thing that I want to say, if you are a serious person, this might not be the channel for you because I'm always making jokes. I'm always laughing because life is just so short. Why not enjoy it?
Dreams we always fight, cause we never worked it out. It just kinda slipped through our hands. And I never really said that you hurt me, no instead. I just try to understand.
Another area that can be a thorn in my side sometimes are my floors. I used to be that girl that cleaned these floors off constantly, but now I just, clean them when I feel like it. I'm just keeping it real. In the last few videos, I talked about being your own superstar. How are you doing with that? Let me know below in the comments. I was just telling a coworker that you have to celebrate yourself. She won a contest and I was extremely proud of her. And I'm like, girl, you better celebrate. She thought it was a little bit strange, and then I had to put her on. And now she's going through her healing process. Be sure to show your love and your kindness to every person that you encounter because you just don't know what people are going through. And here's what the white chicken chili is looking like.
Told everyone my secrets.
Always leave room for dessert. These are the pumpkin spice cookies, y'all. These are so good. At the end of the night, this is what the kitchen looked like. However, it was okay because since I cooked, my daughters decided that they would clean up for me. I already started eating and I forgot to show you my plate. So that is the turkey cutlets that I was marinating, broccoli, and then also white rice. I am laying in my bed. I don't feel the best, so I'm about to get my eat on and I will see y'all later. These are definitely overflowing, so they need to be handled. I'm gonna declutter. I can't even close it. Let me just leave it open. All of them are like this. I am going to declutter these though. 'Tis the season to declutter. Before I do that, check out my side of the bed. I always crack up when people say, Kim, your house is always clean. No, it's not. My side of the bed is always a hot mess. It gets on my husband's nerves. It will always be a hot mess. I know where everything is. And you know, I just put things away as needed, but it's always a mess. If you look back on old videos, you will see that that stuff has been on the side of my bed forever. And yes, I have a mini fridge on my desk. Our downstairs ain't close, so I need a refrigerator on the second floor.
How it goes. Looking back, what a messed up time it was. Figured out how to live, and I'm glad because now I know. It really was such a bad plan. 'Cause I really think I understand.
You'll have to let me know below in the comments how often you go through your dresser to declutter. I don't do it often enough, and I always find things that I haven't worn since 1952, so it's like, why even keep it when someone else may need it? Those items go directly to the donation pile.
You've always felt like a part of you has gone missing. I know it's real, but I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really
This right here is my shirt drawer, and I decluttered this for my shirt drawer. I think it's like 5 shirts. Anyway, 1 down, 3 to go.
You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard could be you and I. Hey, let me explain, get to the reason why it's not us. You know there's no one else than me you trust. You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go?
I have some clothes over here. Listen, let's talk about my bed. Like, I just woke up and got out of the shower. Anyway, the sheets need washed. There are some clothes in here that I need to put away in some of those drawers as well.
I'm sick and tired of seeing you in pain. Your head's in a haze. Won't you lean on me? I'll catch you if you fall. So take a leap of faith.
Getting through it. I'm so excited. This has been a long time coming, that's for sure. So I have one more drawer to do. Hopefully I can get it done before I have to go to work. Let's try to get this done quickly. And the funny thing about it is, you see them clothes back there? Let me grab those. I've been looking for that bra. Nori's clothes, of course. This drawer wasn't bad. Got it done with 3 minutes to spare. Now I have to make my coffee and get to work. Here are the clothes that I decluttered. I did a very good job handling this. This is what my closet is looking like. It does not look bad at all. However, the dinosaur train, he gotta go.
Is this the void I'm searching for? The great inside behind the door.
Here we are with the dinosaur toy box. Now I wanted to empty it out. There was like a little bit of lint in there because I'm actually gonna give this to someone. So here's what we are looking like. And I'm just gonna put all that stuff back into the, I was gonna say the garage. I'm gonna put it back into the closet. We are finished decluttering the closet. There are 2 bags in there that have like toys and stuff in them, as well as my niece Nori's, some of her clothes. She has, you already saw that, she has lots of clothes in my drawer in my room, and this is Karia's Taekwondo bag. Ooh, sorry, I'm out of breath. But yeah, it looks good. I'm not your typical declutter girl where everything looks really, really pretty. All I'm looking for is that it's clean. The floor is clean, all the items in here are clean, and then they just get stacked away nicely. And yeah, no baskets, no pretty flowers, nothing like that, okay? It's a closet. We're gonna close this door and we're gonna keep it moving. Time to get dinner started, and I wanted to make some chicken wings. I always boil them first for about 3 minutes and then I place them in an air fryer. Air fryer chicken wings are the best. If you don't know nothing about it, you better get hit. Always spray your air fryer first. This is what I use, even though it's not like anything I'm baking. This works really well. You also want to put foil at the bottom of your air fryer contraption thing. I hope this video is giving you quick and easy meal ideas. You don't have to cook for hours and hours for your meal to be good. Just put some love into it, girl. Whatever you do, leave room, don't stuff it. So here's my air fryer. I do not fry food in my house because it's stink. The last time I fried something in my house, it was when I made that fry bread, and my house smelled like that forever. Anyway, I'm in total denial that it's fall, even though fall's my favorite season. However, all of these have to go. And I don't want to do it. I've been dreading it, but I'm going to start some today. I don't want to overwhelm myself because it's like 85 degrees outside on October, what's today? October 3rd. So yeah, I got to handle this. I'm doing a final walkthrough of what is left so far, and I really am not feeling this right now. I really cannot bring myself to do this. Oh my gosh. Here's one that I can get though.
Nighttime is ours. 7 days a week, the darkest hours. In a magic.
Ooh, I almost got stung by a bee. It was a yellow jacket. And for those of you that don't know, I cannot run. I'm still in the healing process from, learning to walk again. So I just try to dip up out of there as fast as I possibly could. So I'm gonna wait until my husband gets home and do it another day and then just handle all of it. And Mom, if you're watching this, don't get mad that I didn't ask you for a waist bag for yard waste. It just kind of was like a last minute thing. So you can bring one over tomorrow, okay? Ooh, these look really, really good. All right, whew, I'm out of breath. Now we are in my living room, and there's one drawer in here that really, really needs decluttered. The other drawer only has like blankets, throw blankets that you wanna cozy up on. And here's the drawer that needs decluttered. All of my cabinets, drawers, and closets look just like this, okay? Just full of stuff, but I'm okay with it because I know where everything is. I hope each and every one of you are being kind to yourself. I hope that you're being kind to others, showing love, saying your affirmations, and just trying to heal and be a better person. I'm sure you remember that saying, you get more bees with honey than you do vinegar, even though Kim loves some vinegar, okay? Just be kind. It's really, really not hard.
This joy is love, love, love.
Okay, Kim, okay, that looks good to me, okay? So I have all of my, not all of them, but majority that I use down here, my little wax melts, to go into the wax candle thingamajiggers, whatever you call them. Here's the other one, and I also have one in my kitchen. Anyway, it looks good. That's all that matters. And I got to go. I gotta go check my food. So tonight's meal is broccoli, because I had leftover broccoli. This is a piece of the fiasco bread. It's so good. And then some wings. I think I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on my wings though. You know I gotta go because I'm hungry. Karia is helping me. So she is loading the dishes up in the dish. Well, she's unloading it first. And then she's gonna load up the dishwasher from the dishes that I cooked with, even though it doesn't look like I even cooked, does it? That's how I do things, okay? It don't look like I cook because I cook and clean at the same time, which is the smartest thing ever. Cook and clean with your kids because you just never know. You gotta prep them and get them ready for real life. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. Please do not forget to hit subscribe. Also, show that like button some love as well.